This 30-inch gas range by Frigidaire is from the Professional series. It features a smudge-proof stainless front with the signature Professional series logo, a large black glass viewing window, 2 Pro-style stainless handles, 8 stainless knobs, and a front-facing, easy-to-read LED display. The burner top has 3 continuous edge-to-edge matte cast grates and 5 sealed burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 5,000, one 9,500, one 14,000, one 15,000, and one 18,000 BTU power burner. The range top surface is stainless steel. Inside the 5.6 cubic foot oven is a dark porcelain interior with 1 smooth gliding rack, an air fry tray, 1 flat rack, 6 rack positions, a temperature probe outlet with probe, 2 oven lights, and a convection fan. The lower drawer offers added storage for flat pans and baking sheets. To learn more about ranges, check out our buying guide at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.